Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a Christmas card. When you open a Christmas card, there might already be a message on the inside, like Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas. If you want to write a short message on your Christmas card, you should use this space right here, underneath the poem or message already printed in the card. You can use the space on the other side to draw a picture if you want. And if you want to write a longer message on your Christmas card, you can use this space. You can even use space on both sides of the Christmas card. First, I'll teach you how to write a short message on your Christmas card. So first we have step 1. Which is start with a cheerful greeting. So who are you going to write this Christmas card for? Your mom, your dad, your friend, your grandma? So imagine I'm writing this Christmas card for my friend Julie. I would write, Dear Julie, or Dear Mom, Dear Grandma. And then you should put a nice holiday greeting like Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. This Christmas card already says Happy Holidays, so I want to try to write something different like Merry Christmas. So right here under the message, I'm writing Dear Julie, Merry Christmas. And now I'm ready for step 2. In step 2, you should write a kind message. For example, I hope you have the best Christmas ever. Or, you are a great friend. You can write any kind message you want. Maybe you could write, I hope we can see each other this holiday. I'm going to write, You are a great friend. I hope you have a fun holiday. Finally, we can go to our last step. And our last step is end with a warm closing. So you might write, Love, Emma. Of course, you put your name here. Or, From Emma, or your friend Emma. I'm going to write Love Emma. You can also write XOXO if you want to. X means kiss and O means hug. So kiss, hug, kiss, hug. Some people just write one X, which means one kiss, or two X's, which means 2 kisses. But it's up to you if you want to write X's and O's. So finally, if you want to, you can draw a picture on the other side of the Christmas card to fill all of this empty space. You can draw a Christmas tree or a candy cane or a snowman. So this is how you write a short Christmas card. Now I'm going to teach you how to write a longer Christmas card. There's only one more step in a longer Christmas card. First, you will write your Christmas card on the other side of the card because there is more space. So like before, we start with a greeting, Dear Julia or Dear Grandma. Then we have step 2, which is a kind message. Merry Christmas, you are a great friend. But with a longer Christmas card, we can also add an extra step. And that is to add something personal. And that means you can write something special about your friend or about you and your friend. And finally, we have the warm closing, which is, I hope you have a fun holiday. Love, Emma, XOXO. So let's look at an example of something personal we can add. I had so much fun laughing with you every Monday at dance class. So this is something personal about me and my friend that I want to add in the card. Another example, I can't wait to build a snowman with you on the weekend, or let's play Fortnite together this holiday. If you need more space for your longer Christmas card, you can also use the space on the other side. Or you can use this space to draw a picture. Writing a Christmas card doesn't have to be difficult. And it doesn't matter if it's short or long. Everyone likes to receive a Christmas card from their friends and family because it makes them feel loved and special. I hope you all have a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas. And if you want to learn more about writing letters and Christmas cards and other things like this, subscribe to Learn English Diary for more. See you next time.